Well, here we are. We're going to starting an extensive remodel, doing the demo work. This old iron tub with rusty openings has got to go away. We demoed the wall out behind it, which is also the access hole to the cellar, which needs to be larger so we can do the HVAC guy can get his furnace in and out and in. Had electricians here already. They've rewired the fuse box, which was there, just fuses, used it for a junction box, and they've added a 200 amp panel. So we got that done. All the carpet's been removed from this room. Not there. Been removed from this room. Got some subfloor repairs in here. All the carpet's out of these two rooms. Got some old linoleum in both of them. And we're going to pull this tub out. See, it's cast iron or steel. I've done a bunch of the prep work already, so you don't have to get bored with that. I've loosened this so it's out of the way, the old controls. Popped a pry bar with a hammer down all the studs. You put the pry bar here, hit it with a hammer and break the nails off. All the studs get that function so that thing's loose. Then all the sheetrock's off to maybe would hold up the removal. And then to facilitate the removal, you knock a hole in the wall here so that the corner of the tub here has a place to slide up as you work your way up. I'm gonna knock it a little bigger, set my camera up on a tripod and hope it doesn't fall over. I just got a little tripod today. And we'll see if we can do this without breaking anything or doing any damage to the camera or me or anything like that. Yeah, we can. This is that's loose. Now I already popped it off the floor. Can't see it, but I'll show you. The tile was kind of silicone sealed up to the edge, which was appropriate. It broke free there, so that was not a good seal. Well, now let's see if we can just remove the tub from this room. Disconnected the drain pipe. We're hanging up on something. There it goes. It's the tub out of its opening. Floor. Next thing we'll do is strap it to a hand truck and make it disappear. Looks easy, they are heavy. The floor, as you can see, has a few issues. This floor I would be scared to step on. It's fairly solid. This whole thing is gone. The years have caused a lot of damage, a lot of black mold. May or may not be the bad stuff. My wall here is a little bit loose. This is an exterior wall. So old tubs, if you think they're reusable, may not be due to hidden damage like this. You got all of this water damage here, the water damaged insulation and siding, all this white mold, black mold. Yeah, it's not a good picture. So it's gonna be an extensive remodel. So we got the tub out, make it go away. Well, happy remodeling. There we go.